Welcome back to a Vintage Vlogmas Day 2. I already kind of gave you guys an idea of what I would be doing today or working on today, and it is this cabinet back here. I don't expect to finish it today, partially because I don't 100% know what I'm doing with it yet. My plan, well, my lack of plan, was to paint the inside essentially and do something contrasting, so white inside with a cream design. And then I would love to keep the outside the original color. It just has some issues with it. If we come around here, like you can see the paint splotches there. I need to stain the top trim. I'll show you over here. See? And so I don't really know. I'm going to attempt to either scrape that off or to cover it with the stain color. So I think I have a stain that's gonna match this pretty well. Let me see if I can find it. I found this at Lowe's a couple months ago, and it's Bombay Mahogany. And it matches pretty closely, especially on the sample that we saw in the store. I think what I'm going to do today is I'm at least going to prime and paint the inside of this piece, because I know I 100% wanna do that. And I'm gonna test the stain color out on the trim. Contingent upon how that goes, will determine how I do the outside, if I do anything to the outside at all, other than like oiling it up, just making it look a little fresher. That is what I'm going to do today. We're gonna prime and paint the inside of this piece, and we're going to test the stain on that trim.
You want now feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now, or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go.
This coat or this shirt or jacket is very thick, and when I have it zipped up, I notice I look like a tree. At least it's keeping me warm. I conditioned the unfinished trim with some water. You're kind of supposed to do that, or use a wood conditioner before you use stain. Got some gloves on. Personally, what I like to do is use like a sponge brush and get it on, and then go back through with a cloth and wipe the excess away. That's how I normally do it. We're gonna test it out in the corner first. Ooh, okay. So right off the bat, it's pretty red. It's not coming across very red on camera, but in person, it's pretty red. I'm just gonna let that sit for like a second. This is what it looks like after the first coat. Very light. I think I'm gonna try another coat, maybe even 3 coats. It's definitely obviously lighter than this. So I think if I can maybe build it up, we'll get closer. And then maybe I could do like an antiquing wax over top of it to give it a patina look, kind of like what we have going on here.
This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better.
I am testing out scraping the little paint drops, the old paint drops that are on the side of this thing, like that right there. I'm testing out scraping them off with a razor blade. It kind of worked on the other side. And so I'm gonna test it out on this side. There's a little more paint on this side. I mean, what's it gonna hurt? Like I said, I don't have anything to lose. I might as well try it. It's already got a really rustic look anyways.
You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending.
All right, taking another break. I think I got as much paint off as I could, and I have coat 3 of stain sitting on the top of the trim. Just gonna let it sit for a second, and while it sits, I got some more packages in. This one's wrapped pretty well, so nothing should be wrong with it. I'm pretty sure these are all Facebook Marketplace purchases, like sweaters. Boom. Nice wool sweater, and I don't think this one had a tag. No tag, but definitely wool. I ordered a bunch of stuff off of Facebook Marketplace, so it's all just kind of been trickling in the past couple of days. Oh, okay. Another sweater. I don't remember it being this brown. I thought it was a little more orange in the pictures. It's still fine. It's nice. It's Liz Claiborne. I love these mock necks. That's like my thing right now. Mock neck sweaters and shirts. So those two things. So sweater number 1 and sweater number 2. This one will definitely go to the booth. Not sure about this one yet. I'm gonna put another coat of primer on the interior. And I'm still not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with this outside. Like, how am I gonna enhance this? I could put oil on it. That might help. I really don't wanna paint it.
I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need.
These rollers suck. Don't get these rollers. Don't use these rollers. They suck. All right.
No, you're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending.
So before I call Vlogmas Day 2 done, I'm just gonna try out this wood polish conditioner, this Feed and Wax, to see what it does to the wood. Because we have like water spots here or something. I don't really know. There's just a lot of wear and tear on this wood. I don't want to paint. I'm trying to keep it as original as possible. That looks pretty good. We're gonna try it kind of right here. Obviously it could still be better, but it's not bad. Ooh, okay. So here's a before and after example. This is the before side and this is the after. I think I like oiling it up. I think that the wood polish, I think that's gonna help a lot to really bring it back to life. That might be the best solution for this project. You guys will have to give me your opinion in the comments. I'm still trying to figure out what to do about that trim up there. I think I'm gonna try the antique and glaze. Maybe I'll put another coat of stain on it tonight. And that is it for Vintage Vlogmas Day 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little more chill than yesterday. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit the like button and to subscribe. Do you hear those dogs screaming? This is like the time they start screaming every afternoon. They're perfectly fine. They just like to scream. It's not my dogs, it's the neighbor's dogs. Also hit the bell notification so you can be notified for whenever I post a new video. And remember to follow me at Amanda's Mercantile on Instagram. That way you can see everything that I do behind the scenes. We'll be working on this again tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm getting a thumbnail. Oh no. What's your thumbnail? the picture that determines whether or not people are going to click on your video. So like the picture that pops up when you're scrolling for videos, that thumbnail, a lot of times people base whether or not they're going to watch your video off of the thumbnail. So I'm trying to make it as interesting as possible so people will click on it. Y'all better click on it.
That's gonna be cute.
Thanks.